Well, this is exciting. It is June 20th, and I just received the game that Izzy, Gesell, and I developed. We got it from the Game Crafter. It is 6/20/2023, and it was shipped on 6/16 through Shippo. It's a 6-ounce package, and this is how it came when it arrived in my box just a few moments ago. So you can see that there's some tape here off to the side. I'm just going to zip through that. Let's open it and see what we have. We opened the box. The box is open. And inside there's a little paper which I can crumble and throw away. And then in here we have a shrink-wrapped deck of cards, a dry erase scorecard. Oh, that's nice. Instructions, and here's our instructions. Okay, let's take a look. Get out. There we are. Now we can put this box aside, and here's our game instructions. Nice and easy to read. 2 sides. There's 10 games that we can play in this deck. Shows us how to set up the games, do our warm-up games. We'll play games to improve our sound, games to improve our humor, more games for humor, storytelling games we have, and creativity games, and then how coaches can use these cards in their coaching sessions. Well, that's all very good, so I'll keep those instructions here. Now let's carefully open the deck to see what we have on the inside. Carefully opening my little X-Acto. We called it Sponto Time because as we were developing the game, we kept saying how to become more spontaneous. And spontaneous is really hard to say. 5 syllables, so we shortened it to Sponto. Sponto Time. Spontaneous time. So here we are. Here's the deck of cards that we have. We got all 3 different colors. And we know to sort those cards to play. Sort and shuffle. At least I do, because, you know, I developed the game, co-created the game, so I know how to play. So there, we've got the 3 stacks to start with, but what's on the other side? These are the game words that we get to play with, and they're nice and silky and smooth. So that's it. I'm very excited to start playing some games. It's Sponto time.